The purpose of this video is to teach you how to solve a quadratic equation by graphing. This is a skill that we learned back in March, and you may recall. The first step is to make sure your equation is in standard form, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Next, use a graphing calculator or a graphing application to graph your parabola. If you don't have a graphing calculator, I would recommend Desmos.com, DESMOS.com. To me, it's a very user-friendly platform to use at home on a computer to graph equations. Third, once that parabola is graphed, you're looking for the x-intercepts, or the roots, or the zeros. Remember, those terms are synonyms of one another. Those x-intercepts are going to be our solution. Finally, we verify, and we take those solutions and plug them back into the original equation to make sure they make true statements. Remember, when solving a quadratic, you could have two solutions, one solution, or no solutions. Let's take a look at an example. An example that you might have is one like this: 2x squared minus 11x plus 12 equals 0. We're going to go ahead and head over to Desmos. I'll zoom in on the link for you. And from here, we're going to type in our formula. It was, remember, 2x squared minus 11x plus 12 equals 0. So 2x squared. Now, in order to get the squared, I hit Shift 6. Use the caret there to get up in the exponent. Once I write the 2 up there, I hit the right arrow to get back down. Next was minus 11x, so I'll type in that. And finally was plus 12. So I will grab plus and then 12. And what I have now is this parabola, 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. Now, I'm not typing in the equals 0. The equals 0 is going to be found by looking when this parabola has a height of 0, or for its x-intercepts. One of them occurs right here at 4, and the other one occurs right here at 1.5. So our solutions to this quadratic equation is x equals 4 and x equals 1.5. If I plug those back in here for this x and this x, if I plug in a 4 and a 4, this would make a true statement, 0 equals 0. If I plugged in a 1.5 and a 1.5 and simplified, it would say 0 equals 0. Therefore, I know I'm correct, and I'm good to go.